We are the children of grade 4 of St. Joseph School. My name is Jana. My name is Layo. And my name is Mercè. Welcome to Navas. In Navas, there are 5,800 inhabitants. Navas is a town near Manresa, the capital of Bages. It's a beautiful and lovely place to live. There are a river by Navas called River Llobregat. Follow us if you want to know more about our town.
Hello, my name is Roger. In Navas, there are 2 kindergartens, 2 primary schools, and 2 secondary schools. This is Sant Josep School.
Sant Joseph School is fantastic! This is Ramon Vallàpano. Look, it's very long. There are trees on both sides. There are benches to sit down. There are some shops and there are many houses too. People and children walk and play in Ramon Vallàpano.
This is the library.
There are lots of books here.
The library opens Wednesdays on the morning and all the afternoons.
There are also computers in the library.
The library has 2 floors. Let's see.
Let's go inside to visit it. Silence.
Hello, my name is Aina and my name is Carla. In Navas, there are many shops. Sweet shop, fruit and vegetable shop, clothes shop. Right now, we are in a clothes shops, color chicks. In chicks, shells clothes for babies and children. Let's go inside. Look, trousers, dresses, etc. for kids.
There is a long hall. There is a beautiful fountain. My uncle works in town hall.
The conciliars work in the town hall. This is EDN School, a secondary and a high school. My father works here.
Hello, my name is Carlota. My name is Laura. And my name is Noah. We are in front of the sports center. It's college. You can practice different sports here. For example, swimming, judo, gymnastics, and Pilates. There are 2 swimming pools outside. I practice gymnastics on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. The sports center is fantastic!
Hello, my name is Per. Hello, my name is Bai.
And my name is Joel.
This is the sports center of Navas.
There are swimming pools.
At summer, people come here. There are four swimming pools and there are 2 indoors and 2.
There are tennis and paddle tracks next to the swimming pool. People come and play tennis and paddle in autumn, winter, summer and spring.
This is Alzineta Park. Children come play and swing. And they had a fun time. Come on and play.
This is a church.
The church is very tall.
There are a clock at the top. Look. It's 10 to 1.
The church has a big bell at the top.
Hello, my name is Paul.
Hello, my name is Roger.
There is a football ground.
Other children of Navas come to play football. I'm trained on Wednesday and Fridays.
Next to the football ground, there is a bar. Children of Navas drink and chips. Buy drink and chips.
This is Yummy Restaurant. It is in Ramon Vall Avenue. People come here to have lunch or dinner. The food is delicious.
Nava is very